Two little boys surprised to the max this morning by none other than, well, their mom.
Yes, and they are adorable, and they will likely remember today for the rest of their lives. ABC 15's Raquel Cervantes with the story you won't see anywhere else.
Master Sergeant Shania Porter is just completing her 5th deployment overseas with the Air Force. This last one, her first as a mother.
But to leave your kids who are used to mommy taking care, fixing meals and stuff like that, it's completely different to not wake up and hear their voice. Okay.
She's missed a kindergarten graduation, the first day of school.
Attention pre-K1. I have a special announcement for a little boy that I flew so many miles to see and to tell him how much I love him.
But today, she won't miss out on the looks on her son's faces when they see her. They don't know she's coming home.
They're not going to let go. Stop letting
Hey.
go.
Hey, little guy.
It's been 7 long months since 4-year-old Blake has hugged his mom.
You're so sick.
Welcome home, Mrs. Porter.
The surprises aren't ending here. From Blake's school to 5-year-old Bryce's.
Hi, Brycey.
He thinks they're FaceTiming from 3,000 miles away.
I miss you too. I heard you were crying today.
Hey, where are you?
Does this look familiar to you?
When he realizes where she is,
He's running.
he's there in a heartbeat. A family now going home complete. Raquel Cervantes, ABC 15, Arizona.
No dry eyes in the studio right now. Too adorable. Raquel, thanks for that story.